Rush fam, so you know once you see me, it's a tour we're going on. Let me show you a glimpse of what we're gonna start working on. So we're down by the waterfront, downtown Kingston, and we're gonna check out the ROK Hotel. It's now open. We know we did some reviews on it while in construction phase, so now it's time to take a look at where we are. So today's video is really a drone video. We're gonna take a drone look around the area, and then we're gonna try and do a walking inside tour of the area as well. So stay tuned. It will be two separate videos, but for today it's a drone video to take a look at the finished building itself, take a look at the area, and to get some views for you guys. So stay tuned for that. It's the ROK Hotel, downtown Kingston. Alright, so that is it. So we know this building back in the days was the Oceana Hotel, and then after that it became a government building for the Ministry of Health, for UDC, and then it's back in private hands via HILTON Hotel. So this is a HILTON Hotel called the ROK Hotel, and they're now finished. I know we did about 2 or 3 videos while in construction phase. It's now finished, it's now open. It's a 3-purpose building, so you have residential or love to own apartments, you have the hotel, and you also have some commercial entities as well. So today's video, as I mentioned, is really a drone video. So we're gonna set up the drone. You guys stay tuned for that, and then we're gonna do a walking tour of the property as well. One of the things we want to catch is some of the views at night, so we came down at this time so we can catch some night view. So downtown waterfront, ROK Hotel by the HILTON. And you know, it's Rush, the Discover Boss, always keeping you guys updated, always let you guys know what's happening. Remember to like the video, remember to comment, remember to definitely share. Alright guys, so ROK Hotel is what we're gonna take a look on today. And again, more videos are coming. I know some persons are begging for a video per day, but you know, that's super difficult. It's only possible if I had 48 hours in my 24 hours, because I have a lot of things doing, but a lot more regular videos will be coming for you guys, because the channel is for you and I do this for you guys, even though I love what I do as well. But bear with me while the videos start to come in 1 by 1, 2 by 2, 3 by 3. You have a few restaurants up there as well, fancy dining, luxury dining, and the ROK is being marketed as the, you know, one of the best spots in Kingston right now. I know that AC Hotel had the swing for a while, because that was one of the newest hotel on the block. It took over some of the popularity from Pegasus. I know we have the ROK Hotel on the waterfront. Good location, good vibe. You also have the Victoria Pier close by as well, so you have a lot of options for food. Good tourist location as well, because you know they have the hotel section. We're gonna take a look at the billboard, take a look at the front, set up the drone, and then on another day try to do an inside tour. Hopefully I don't need any special access. Alright, but for today it is the drone video. Alright, so this is their billboard. And again guys, let me know what you think in terms of the look, the design, I know the location is good. It's a part of the restoration of downtown, and I'm sure this is a big boost to the whole downtown development, the whole revitalizing a downtown. So Palette is a fancy dining restaurant. We have Rockstone, and they have the Rock Cafe, and then Tape History Collection by HILTON. So right on King Street, downtown Kingston. This street leads up to South Parade for those persons who are familiar with downtown Kingston. Alright, so again, this is a first look from my channel. I know other vloggers have covered it to a certain extent. So this would be the, I guess we can call it the front view, even though it would seem as if it's a side view, but it's the front view. The side view will face the ocean, so you'll have some great ocean view from that end. Right beside the Victoria Pier, which have Ocean 7 restaurant, Pizza Please, smoothie, ice cream, Ribbies, Gloria. So the hotel in full swing. I know tourists is already booked over there because I see drop off and pick up. So it's a good look. So let's set up the drone, guys, get some quick shots of the area, and as I mentioned, we'll then work on a possible walkthrough to check out the lobby, hopefully the restaurant as well. And if any of you guys have a contact, because I know you guys full of contact, that can, you know, give me an exclusive tour of the property, lobby, restaurants, and even room, just let me know in the comments. I know you guys know people. I know people. I don't know everyone, but I know one of you guys watching probably know someone that can give me a good, decent walkthrough for you guys. So just send your info in the comments, because you guys have done that a lot of time for me. But anyway, let's send up the drone, guys. Let's send up the drone and get some aerial shots, and then we'll work on the inside walkthrough. Alright guys, what I'm gonna do as well in the comments, I'm gonna put the link for previous videos that I did down here in the daytime, so you guys can compare the day look with the night look. So I put 1 or 2 on the previous daytime video I did down here. As usual guys, thanks for watching, appreciate it.